This is my little chickadees, the black cap chickadee, also known as the executioner. They're eating off of my plant stand, and they're having a great time. They're all down on the floor and eating tons of food. My hummingbird feeder was frozen this morning, and so I had to empty it out and blow a hole out of it because it had a frozen plug. And it was pretty damn cold this morning. I slipped and fell outside while taking the dog for a pee. Then slipped out there in the snow. And this is my house. There's my bug sleeping away. And then we'll go say hi to Lucy. Hello, Lucy. Hi. Gonna see. Hello, pretty girl. Hi. Are you gonna talk to me? Hi. And Lucy did her laps this morning, and she's been not shedding, but losing tons of feathers because of the cold weather. I guess she's got to grow some more, and there's just an absolute mess of feathers down below her cage, and you can see them there. So these are my Christmas lights I have. Pat brought me those home. It didn't cost them a dime. Someone threw them out, so I got them plugged into my TV. But they're pretty, and they change colors. And those are all my pretty little knickknacks. Other than that, we go back and look outside. Still pretty snowy and cold. And my little Christmas tree right there, the real one, it doesn't look that great because of the cold, but hopefully I'll put it on my table right here and get it decorated up. Other than that, that's basically, oh, look at all the little birds. They're all just going crazy there, chasing each other away. And there they are. There we go. They're all crazy. They're cute. So, there you go. You hear my voice. And take Buggy to the vet tomorrow. And he'll be getting lots of pokes and prods. We'll see what's going on with the poor old guy. Hopefully he'll be okay. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for listening. Bye.